Protecting your cargo from wears, tears, and damages is something we all want, and so it's important for you to use the right materials in protecting your assets. Protect Plastics believes that shrink wrap is the best option for protecting your cargo. Start off by draping the plastic up and over the center of the box, then unfold and bring it down on each side evenly. Unfold completely. Secure the bottom perimeter with our heavy-duty poly strapping and secure further with buckle and strap tension tool. Next, fold the excess plastic on the ends, just like you wrap a Christmas present, temporarily taping with a small piece of tape and our specialty spray adhesive. After all ends are complete, you will take your 998 heat gun and seam the folded end pieces together by heating them both up and using a welding glove to gently pat them together. This will seal the two ends. For strength, tape all seams with our 4-inch heat shrink tape. Complete both ends before you start folding the bottom piece, hanging below the strap, around the strap, and heat seaming it to itself. Also, tape this seam when complete. Lastly, use the 998 heat gun to heat the plastic up to 225 degrees Fahrenheit. The shrink wrap will shrink 30% to become drum tight. Need the tools to shrink wrap your cargo? Protect Plastic and Supply has the shrink wrap, tape, spray glue, and a 998 heat gun to get the job done. Once your package is shrink wrapped, it can endure many obstacles such as wind, turbulence, heat, rain, and other similar weather and travel-based problems. Once sealed, there are very few scenarios that can actually compromise your packaging, so it's a surefire way to ensure safety of delivery. We want you to understand that the process of shrink wrapping is not only easy, but essential, and Protect's main mission is to help you secure your items in the best way possible. So visit https://shrinkwrapcontainments.com today and protect your cargo with our shrink wrap.